All right, guys, so I'm in Georgia today with MWM Trailer Manufacturing Company, MWM of Macon, Georgia. And Chuck is the owner of this company. There we go. And Chuck is the owner of this company, and he's been making trailers for how many years?
Oh, probably 10 years.
10 years. Makes some fantastic trailers. Took some B-roll of his guy welding the trailer up over here. But he makes all kinds of cargo type trailers, transportation trailers, four-wheeler trailers, that kind of stuff. And now he is delving into the market of making trailers for overlanding and sporting use, hunting, fishing, overlanding, all that type of stuff. So I'm working with him a little bit on this stuff, and he made this first trailer that caught my eye last week. Of course, you guys saw some short footage on that at the Florida Save event. And what I thought of this trailer when I first saw it was, hey, this is a trailer that carries a boat, and it also holds a rooftop tent. So I'm gonna get some personalized plates for this bad boy here in the next month or so that it's gonna say FSHCMP, Fish Camp. That's what this bad boy is gonna be named. And you can see that he's got this grid panel on here that is kind of proprietary to him, but it is the E-Track compatible system. So E-Tracks can be bought anywhere. I just saw some at Track Supply yesterday. So Track Supply, Home Depot, Menards, Lowe's, most Ace Hardwares, places like that all carry the E-Track compatible stuff under different name brands. But you can find this stuff about anywhere if you're just trying to makeshift or cobble something together. You can see we've got a first aid kit snapped to this bad boy right now. And it just snaps in there with two snaps. If you're not familiar with E-Track, it's just got two locking clips that go up inside the E-Track and lock in. So you can customize this stuff any way you want to. You can order a trailer or buy a trailer that's just got the grid on it. You can buy one that is set up for boats, things like that. But whatever you do, you can kind of cobble it together the way you want to after the fact by using E-Track accessories. You just have to put the molly panels, things like that, and the track itself in the proper place for your best use. So I'm gonna walk you guys around this trailer real quick, and we'll talk to Chuck a little bit more as well. Chuck, let me ask you one more question real fast, buddy. So tell me what your grand vision is.
We've been building trailers for quite a while. I really like the creativity and the openness, being able to work with somebody. I don't know anybody else that builds the Overland and adventure trailers. This is a licensed manufacturer that can work hand in hand with you through the process. It just allows me to be a lot more creative, work with the customer and get them something that fits their needs, whether it be hauling a kayak or putting a four-wheeler on it, a tent up front, an enclosed box like you saw in the other video. We just, the sky's the limit, man. You think it up, we can probably build it for you.
Dog boxes, the whole 9 yards, right?
Dog boxes,
storage in the front, dog box in the back, rooftop tent, coon hunting ready, rabbit hunting ready.
Man, you can hunt anything.
Yeah, okay, well, let's walk around this bad boy and talk about a couple things real quick, and then I'm gonna camp in this thing all weekend, this weekend in Arkansas. So if you're coming to the Arkansas Jeep Jam, you'll be able to see it in person. Stay with me. All right, so we're gonna start right here at the tongue of this bad boy. So tell me about the hitch, the harness, the wiring harness, the jack, all of that stuff.
We can put any kind of hitch. This one's 2-inch ball. We can do the 360 hitches for articulating if you need. We keep all of our stuff enclosed so that the wire runs back inside a channel everywhere or tucked up inside. Articulating jack. We got the kayak where we left the front of the trailer open, so if you got a longer kayak, you can cheat it and put the nose up into the tongue of the trailer.
So you can just move this mount anywhere you want to here.
We got it where we mounted it to the E-Track accessories as well, but that's adjustable so it can fit different sizes.
How wide is this trailer?
This one's 48 inches inside the.
So any 40-inch boat is going to fit in this thing up to 16 foot or right out,
That's
right?
correct.
So, all of my canoes are going to fit in this thing. All of my other kayaks are going to fit in this thing. This is basically just a transport device for any boat you're using that you're able to camp in. Cooler on top.
Got an upper deck to where you can strap down. We got gussets down here that we put in instead of just old cheap D-rings. We had some custom gussets made to put on here. Little braces to stiffen up the fenders, but also act as steps. All DOT required lights.
About your tires.
Molly panels both sides. Some nice off-road tires. There again, we can accommodate if you want bigger tires to match your truck.
What size are those?
Oh, I can't even remember.
Looks like they're pretty close to
These are
30s.
235.
235s, okay.
Yeah.
Yep, okay.
They're about a 28, 29 inch.
Molly
tire.
panel?
Molly panel both sides. We can add that anywhere on the trailer.
Okay. And then,
We got 4 stabilizing jacks for when you get up in your tent. And we also got a nice roll assist here, so when you come up, you can drag and drop the nose of your kayak on there, walk to the back, and just guide it right on. It's real easy for one person to load it by themselves.
I'll come over to this side real quick, and we just slapped a couple things on here real quick. We got a Lifesaver jerry can on there, and we got a first aid kit.
And again, this is just some braces that you can get at any hardware store and strap it right on there.